Hey guys, Damien here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I removed carpet and prepped for my hardwood flooring. In the first step, you're going to need to remove everything from the room. If you don't have a dolly, grab someone to help you. The next thing I did was remove the air vent, and then I grabbed my razor blade knife and I cut the carpet at the closet so that would be one piece, and then I did like 2 to 3 foot wide strips. And the reason I do that is because whenever you rip the old carpet up, there's a lot of dust and dirt underneath the carpet, and it tends to fly in the air if you start pulling everything up really fast. So I make my short little 2-foot rolls and I throw them either in a trash bag or out the window if there's one accessible. You can see under the carpet the dirt that's sitting on top of the foam padding, and that was my main reason to get rid of the carpet, because I have allergies and I don't like, all that dust underneath the carpet. So far we've only used the razor blade, and we'll continue to use that for the padding underneath of the carpet. And I'll do the same thing with the padding. I'll try to cut that into small strips and roll it up also. Remember to use a respirator so you're not breathing in all that dust. Rolling the foam pad up as you go is the best way I've found to do it to prevent all the dust from kicking up in the air. Whenever I remove carpet, I like to go ahead and get the 55-gallon industrial commercial grade trash bags, because you can fit everything in it and they stretch pretty well. After you get the final piece in the bag, go ahead and toss it out the window if you can, or carry it outside so it's not in your way for the next step. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy throwing stuff out the window. For the next step, you're going to need a hammer, some pliers, and I use a screwdriver. Basically what you're going to be doing is prying all the staples up that were holding the padding down. This is the worst step, I think, of all, because it takes so much time. It's very tedious. next thing I do is I start removing the furring strips along the outside perimeter of the room. Be careful with these because they're very jaggy. They have little nails sticking up through, and they're very easy to catch on your clothing or on your fingers. Then I grab the shop vac and I start to vacuum up all the dust and dirt that was under the padding. I also try to, gather up the staples and put them in a pile. That way I don't suck them up, but if I miss a few, at least vacuuming, I can get them all. And I also can see if I missed any spots that I left the staples in. Depending on what kind of flooring you're putting down, you may put a different sublayer down, but I actually use tar paper whenever I'm laying hardwood or engineered hardwood floor. That just puts a barrier in between the wood and the top flooring to prevent squeaks and give it a little extra padding. So I just roll that out and cut it around the vent. And then you'll see whenever I get it all rolled out, I'll just cut down the middle of the two overlapping sections to make a clean line in between them. Some people will staple the tar paper down. I don't do that. I just lay the wood on it as I go. Alright, now that you have your tar paper down, it's time to lay the hardwood floor. You can do the same process if you're laying laminate flooring or hardwood flooring. And if this video helped you at all, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching.